Asuntoskeittiö ja Tampereen linnainpiha.
This is really beautiful. Today on the 29th of April 2022, purple color here. On the doors and the outer, the doors to the outside, the profile doors and the elevator doors, violet, and it's on Piettasenkatu 12 staircase A here in Leinola, close to Leinola. We're in Tampere, I'm supposed to speak a bit right. The best these 4 floors of the Piettasenkatu with 4 floors, and it was built in 1992, turning 30 years old this year, and 2022 when it's going to be inspected again. Probably late 1992. Opposite this is also 1992 with Connie M there though. Yes, that's right. We're going to film from the staircases A to A.
Yeah.
And this number is B1 and 1173. Beautiful color. Yeah, also because the Svalmet told us like this, but still with that number, but I think it's not late 1992.
Yeah.
I like the sounds in here.
Ja. Dit poikki vois mennä pakoon.
So the floor is purple there.
Yeah.
It's a rare color of course for residential areas.
Yeah.
That's it then, thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the 4 other staircases.
That's